All right, WMC, this is the video to determine our draft order for tomorrow night's break number 15, which is one of the Gold Rush treasure chests. So we'll check the time, August 13th at 10:27 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have August 13th at 10:27 p.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and that final roll will determine the draft order for the treasure chest box. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin, Sherry, Joe, Jake, and on down to Ben. So that is our draft order for tomorrow night's treasure chest. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 13th, 10:28 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.